So how many do you think are coming? Okay. Okay, yeah. So like what time? Like 15, 20 minutes? Okay. Yeah, that's no problem. Okay. All right, honey. Bye. Oh, dear Lord. This house. 20 minutes and I've got about 6, 7 people coming over. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is what I do when I get a last minute call and there's a bunch of people coming over. These are the areas that I tackle. I tackle the kitchen, the family room, the powder room, and the entry and dining room. I'm gonna take you along and we're gonna get this done really quick in a 15-minute clean.
If I was a story to be told, then I would say it all. Oh, if I was a fire, a burning light, then I would break into the night. Come tell me how I'm wired. I know I'm about to be set on fire. Come tell me why I reach for the sky when I fear the night. You touch me, wide in me, and you're making me feel strong yet weak, calling me to the great and unreal. You pull me higher than the stars, and I'm just holding on. Come tell me why I reach for the sky when I fear the night. You touch me, wide in me, and you're making me feel strong yet weak, calling me to the great and unreal. Come tell me how I'm wired. I know I'm about to be set on fire. Come tell me why I reach for the sky when I fear the night. Come tell me why I reach wide in me, and you're making me feel strong. Come tell me why I weak, calling me to the great and unreal.
All you want is my hunger. All you need is my pain. Nothing in between ever met you lost. When you were born there was thunder, fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, rain. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression. If we met in a year or two, would you set your eyes on me? Wear your heart on your sleeve. Nothing in between.
Okay, and that's how I do it. 10, 12 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes of cleanup time before somebody gets here, whether it's your husband with an unexpected guest or your kids. You know, just get your main areas. I focused on my kitchen, my family room, the guest bathroom, the entryway, and the dining area and the bar because they get drinks here and stuff. And you know, I always get my diffuser going so the house smells good. I changed the garbage can, put a little oil in there so it smells good. The bathroom smells good and fresh because it's clean. And it took me 10, 15 minutes and I'm ready. So I hope it gave you a little bit of information, a little bit of motivation, kind of what I do to get ready for an unexpected guest. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.